In this, the next video in the Online Writing Courses Exposed series, I'm going to take you behind the scenes into my personal account of AWI's accelerated program for six-figure copywriting and show you just what to expect from the course. Hi guys, I'm Les Blythe, and as promised in this video, we're going to go behind the scenes of AWI's accelerated program for six-figure copywriting. We're going to go into my members area and I'm going to show you exactly the content you can expect to see in the course. It'll help you decide if it's right for you. Now, over and above that, I've got a couple of free bonuses for you, so you're going to want to watch through to the end of the video and I'll tell you about what to expect. Okay guys, with that said, let's dive in and have a look at part 5. I'm going to show you all the detail, everything you need to know. So let's go ahead and do that now. Right guys, here we are again inside the back office of the accelerated program for six-figure copywriting inside my members area. In previous videos, we've looked at the welcome through to part 4. And in this video, I want to take you through part 5 and give you something of what to expect in that part. Now, as previously, it's in a magazine format, and by the time you get to part 5, you're on your way towards the end of the course and you're actually a copywriter. You've learned the ins and outs of copywriting, you've learned the various techniques, you're able to write persuasive writing, so you're able to write persuasively, and you've got the kind of skills that clients are looking to pay good money for. You know, convincing people to use their product or sign up for a trial or anything of that nature. You've learned the skills to convince people to take action. Now, your guide to getting clients, I see this as being a very important part of the course because, you know, it's great learning all these skills and so on. But at the end of the day, you need well-paying clients to make you good money as a copywriter. And you can make extremely good money as a copywriter. So like we always do, let's pick something at random. Let's look at identify your prospects, see what they've got to say about that. So being a writer is not just about writing, it's about marketing yourself as well. To a certain extent, you've got to sell yourself, but it's not hard selling. If you do this part of the exercise properly and you identify your prospect properly, you're a specialist in what you do, you're a qualified copywriter. I'll actually talk in the next video about the certification that you can get from AWI. But at this point, you're a qualified copywriter. Identify your prospect. So for example, preaching to the converted, make sure that, you know, your prospects truly understand the value of hiring a freelance copywriter. Don't try to sell the value of your profession. There's too many prospects. You know, don't waste your time on guys who don't get it and who are not prepared to invest in the skills that you've learned. So there's quite a bit here about, you know, getting your mindset right with prospects. Be explicit about what makes you different, and this is what we were talking about previously about having a specialization. And you know, you'll have samples to show of the kind of writing you've done in your speciality. So you know, therefore, you're very laser targeted when you approach these prospects. And getting business is not really that difficult. Okay, so here they're talking about speciality, credibility, you know, your samples, your testimonials, all that kind of thing. The kind of stuff you've got to show that you actually know what you're talking about, and you can work for these clients and convince people to essentially you know, buy from them. They talk about your unique selling proposition. Really, everything here that you're going to need once you qualify to get out there, get prospects who are going to pay you good money as you know, a self-employed copywriter, freelance copywriter working from home. So that's basically what I wanted to do there, just to give you a brief overview of that. In the next video, we'll be looking at the final part of the course, which is the certification. So you want to see that. But that's it for part 5. Hope you enjoyed it. Okay guys, that's it for this part 5 of my review of the AWI accelerated program for six-figure copywriting. Now, if you enjoyed the video and you found it useful, I'd really appreciate you giving it a like, and, you know, perhaps consider sharing it around if you think it's going to help someone else on their way with copywriting and freelancing. Over and above that, look, why not subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification? That means I'll be able to send you more advice and tips on copywriting as they become available. Now, just to remind you, as promised near the start of the video, that I've put together a couple of bonuses for you guys. If you go below the video, you'll find a link, click on there, it'll take you through to your bonus, and you'll also go to a page where it's going to give you a bit more advice and information on the course as well. Okay guys, that's about it for part 5 of the course. In my next video, which is the sort of final part in the 6-figure program, I'll be looking at the Awai Certification, which is something which will be really useful to help you on your way as a freelance writer or copywriter. So look out for that in the next part. That's about it guys. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you soon. Ciao for now.